Hey, what's up, guys? Well, I'm back here at this place. So I spent some time picking these guys up. I originally bought them as just keychains. So I had to take off the key rings, put some hooks on them. We'll see how that goes. I'll try to catch a fish on as many of them as I can. So I was thinking of going, strictly bass, but the place that I'm at, I'm probably gonna get a lot of, there's a bunch of other species here, so it might be a little bit challenging not to catch another fish. If the bite's really bad, I might just go ahead and count the other fish as well, but I don't know. We're trying to go for bass, but I guess we'll play it by ear. All right, let's get it started. Is this thing a topwater or did it get all tangled up? Pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to look like, unless it is a topwater. So this black one, I think he's the bomb one, appears to be a topwater bait. Using my trusty Black Max today. I've had this thing forever. Never had a problem with it. Okay, I've got one. Good topwater bass here. Nice. And yet, here I was doubting it. Well, did you look at that? First bass on the topwater. Black Angry Bird doing it. Oh, yeah, he wanted that. He's a tiny guy, but he's a greedy one. What do you think about that? Look at the size of the bait. Look at the size of the fish. Okay, one down. Let's continue. Ow. Let's release you. So I bought a 300-yard spool of 20-pound braid on Amazon for $9.99. Here's what it does to your hand. Well, guess I'm gonna have to hold off on the Angry Bird challenge, although I did catch one on the black bomb bird. I don't know what it's called. Okay, let's tie up one of those weightless things that I had originally. I believe this is a 2-aught hook. It's a small one. But the fish are small, so might just be the thing here. When all else fails, try something else. That's what I always say. Alright, little fish, see where you're at. This time I got you. Come on. Oh no, this guy's a nice one. Oh dude, check this out, check this out. Nice one, look at that. Beauty. A little brush hog there. Nice one. It's a good pound and a half. Off you go, buddy. And he's off. Last time I came here, I was fishing over there. Oh, I've got a little dinker on. Well then, look at you. Ow, ow, ow. Stop it. Look at you. I see a lot of fishing videos from like Texas and stuff. Gotta say, these fish up north here, they love themselves some finesse. Can't beat a nice little plastic presentation or drop shot or something like that. Got one, got one, got one, got one. What size are you? Oh, he's a baby. You know what? Whatever. It beats not catching anything at all. That's all I can say. Did I have a fish the whole while? Okay. That was a very cooperative fish. He hooked himself and he released himself. Yeah, so there's a concert over there where all those tents are. So audio might get a little weird. Let's try this stuff. Picked these guys up today. Savage Gear. Light watermelon red. I don't know. They look black to me. So if they're playing music there and I'm recording, do I have to edit that out of my video? I mean, it's not my fault, right? It's not me putting the music, right? I don't know. Somebody answer that. Somebody who does more YouTube than I do. Okay, this time I got you. Oh, nice one. Really nice fish here. Come here, you. And now for the release. Got you. Got you. See you later, buddy. So we're switching it up. So if I do catch a fish on this frog, believe it or not, this is going to be my first frog fish. No! Missed my frog fish there. Oh! Wow. I've missed all the fish. I've had like 3 hits. One that I should have, but didn't have them. So I'm fishing with a frog. I've never caught a fish on a frog, and it's one of the hardest methods of catching bass because they jump for it. Oh, okay. And you have to time it like perfectly to set the hook. If not, you can't catch them. Something just knocked my frog out of it. Got him, got him. First frog fish, got him. Oh, I need a picture of this. Tiny dude. He's a tiny little guy, but frogfish nonetheless. Told you they hit the frog. Yep, first frogfish right there. Tiny little squeaker, but I got him. He's even got some grass inside his mouth there. Oh, he slipped out of my hand. I was gonna make him go like right up close. Ah, that feels good. Got him. Mangled my frog though.